In this video, we're going to learn how to turn disk images into MP4 file. As you know, the file format of most video disks is WOP file, and in this video, I will tell you how to convert them into MP4 so you can watch them anywhere. As you can see, this one is a DVD file, so when I open it, I will see this folder, and after this folder, I will see lots of files with weird information, okay? WOP info, okay? So the point is, make them in a single MP4 file. We are going to do that. To continue this process, we'll need HandBrake software. That's the name of it, and this one is the logo and icon of it. Right now, I'm going to install it and continue the process. To have HandBrake app, you just simply need to search download HandBrake, open the first website, and in here, based on the operating system that you have downloaded. I'm using Windows operating system, so I recommend you to download this one, download exe installer. Installing HandBrake is easy peasy. Just double click on the file that you download, press on yes, next, I agree, install, and then press on finish. After you install the HandBrake software, the whole process is easy peasy. Just open the software, and in here you will see the disk that you have. Open this DVD or Blu-ray drive. You just click on it. In this part, I will just tell you some settings, okay, some useful settings. In this option, if you press on browse, you will choose the place that this file is going to be saved. Okay, in this part, you can change the format. You can set it as MP4, MKV, and web media, WebM. Okay, the recommended format is MP4 or MKV. Okay, don't choose the final one. If you want to have a lower size file, you can also check this box. Okay, web optimized. With this way, you will receive a lower size file. And in this part, in this preset part, you can change the preset. As you can see, this one is fast 1080p at 30 frames per second. So it means that the process will be done fast. Okay, the compressed encoding process, I mean. Based on the quality that you want, you can set the preset. As you can see in this general part of this preset, you can use also very fast 1080p, very fast 720p. And if you want a higher quality, you can use Super HQ 1080p. Okay, this one is good. This one is 30 frame, this one is 60 frame. Okay, and this one is 4K. It depends on you. Right now, because it's a tutorial video, I don't change this preset and press on and start encode. But if you want to fully learn the HandBrake software options, I really recommend you to watch this video. And that's when I told every option that this useful software has. That's highly recommended. I press on encode. In this part, you will see the time remaining and time lapsed. Okay, HandBrake software did its job well. Let me open the file. This one is